welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I am doing a review on a UV LED lamp by Melodysusie. So they reached out to me last week again, and they asked if I wanted to do a review on their 60W UV LED lamp, and of course I said yes. So as you guys know, I am using their 48-watt UV LED light, which is also by Melodysusie, and I have no problems with this one. I've been using it since the day that I got it, and I just absolutely love it. It's really light, it's not too big, and then it also has the detachable base, so it's good for whenever I polish toes. And this one is $46.99. I already have a review on this one. If you haven't checked it out, I'll leave the link in the description. And they also gave me an updated promo code, so I'll leave that in the description as well. I believe it's Natalie, Natalie 12, and then they also gave me one for the polish that I did a review on as well, and that promo code is Natalie, Natalie 12, and that is 12% off the lamp and the polish as well. So anyways, y'all, like, I feel like I've been running a freaking marathon, and I've been trying to drink a little bit more water. So, but anyways, so yeah, this lamp came in the mail today, and I haven't opened it yet. I just opened the Amazon Prime box, but this is what the box looked like. It's black and gold, and it just has their logo. It says "Bring Your Beauty Salon Home, Melodysusie," and it is the Violet Collection. And then at the bottom it says "Designed by Melodysusie in California," and it has their website, which is melodysusie.com or www.melodysusie.com. So it's a pretty box. I like that theme, that black and gold theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, it actually has a little handle. That's cute. So if you want to take it, you know, just if you do pop-ups or like some type of mobile type of thing, then the little box is pretty good to take around. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Once again, this is the Pro60W UV LED lamp. So as always, it comes with, what is this? With a little card with their, you know, social media. Oh, it says "Not satisfied." You open it this way, and it tells you to contact them or you leave a suggestion. And then if you are satisfied, you open it the other way. I don't know if you can see it. And it says go follow them on Facebook, on Instagram, and then if you join, I don't know if you guys got that from my last video on the Melodysusie, but if you join their website, or they have some type of like email subscription, they do give you an extra 6-month warranty. So like all their products come with a 6-month warranty, but if you sign up through their website, they give you an additional 6 month warranty. So that's really, really good. So that's what that was. And then this is their little booklet. So it just comes with like instructions, and okay, so here are some of the features. So it's saying that it's high power, portable, and space saving. So it is, let me see. No, it's like a tiny bit bigger than the white one, but I'll show you guys once I take it out. Full 5-finger curing for convenient pedicure. So my other one is 2. And the reason why they say that, like the full 5-finger curing, because a lot of lamps before, they weren't big enough, or like the lights were just at the top. Like as you can see with this one, it has lights on the top and the sides. Well, before they used to only make them with the lights at the top, so whenever you were curing your fingers, it wouldn't cure your thumb, so you would have to do 4 fingers and then come back and polish your thumb and put it in there like this. So now they're making them to where they're more convenient, I guess, because you don't have to go back and do the thumb by itself. And I'm not talking about Melodysusie, but I'm just talking about lights in general. But anyways, the next one is the 4 preset timer setting, which is 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 60 seconds. Now that is a little bit different from this one, because this one has 15, 30, 60, and then it has a low heat mode, and this one doesn't have the low heat mode. So that's one difference. It has 32-piece patent smart bulbs, allowing for quicker and more professional curing. So it has, I believe this one has, let me see, I'm gonna literally sit there and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, Okay, so this one has 24 lights up here. That's the top and the sides. It has 24, and then the 60 Pro has 32 lights. So it's gonna get a fuller coverage, which I don't have a problem with that one curing all the nails, but this one just has more lights. What is number 5 is advanced design for safety and easy use. This one, I don't know if you guys have ever seen the OPI UV LED light, or it might be a UV, or it might just be a LED light. I can't remember, but it looks just like this one, except for, you know, it has OPI on it. And I actually never used it. I remember my school used to have one, but I can't remember. I just remember that it looked like this. I'm not sure if it worked or not. So yeah, it has the instructions. It says step 1, connect to the power. Step 2, choose your timer, and then step 3, carefully insert your hand. Okay, so here are the size. So it's a 9.51 by 8.46 by 3.28. So that's length times width times height. It says troubleshoot. How can I switch on the nail lamp? How can I switch on this nail lamp? There is a on and off switch on a power line. You should turn it off before you set the curing time. Okay, so I guess it has different little troubleshoot questions on there, and it comes with the answer. So, and then the items included is just the Melodysusie nail lamp, the adapter, and then this little manual. What else is here? And then, like I said earlier, it comes with the 6-month warranty, and that's the very last page. And then it does have an address. I'm guessing if you need to send it off to maybe get it fixed or something, or to return it, they have their address on here. So on the back, once again, it says bring your beauty salon home, and it has their email, their Facebook, and their Instagram. So go check them out. And I also do want to mention that pretty soon they are going to have a huge sale for their 9th year anniversary, and they're gonna have a lot of sales. So I'll recommend that you guys either go ahead and order, or you guys could also wait and see if they're gonna have a better deal. But I'm gonna leave their link in the description for that. So sorry I'm doing so much talking, but I want to make sure that you guys get the full details. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It comes with a clear plastic on top, and then y'all don't even want to mess it up. It's so, let me see. So this is what it looked like. It comes with like a little handle, and the top looked like it's glass. Is it glass? No, it's not glass. Okay, and that's what the inside looks like. Okay, so that's what okay, I was about to say, I thought it didn't have no lights on the side, but it does. It have 2 big lights on the side. So, and then it comes with the charger, which comes in this. I'm gonna go ahead and get this big box out the way. Okay, so once again, this is what it looked like. It has their logo on the front. It has the 15-second, 30 seconds, 45, and 60-second timer. And I guess it's like a touchscreen type of thing. And then it does have like the timer on the top. So, oh, this is neat. So, okay, so it comes with the charger. And then it comes with, let me see. Okay. Oh, sorry, I had a little dumb moment. So you plug this in here, and then, because I was trying to figure out what this was, but it has like an on and off switch. So I feel like that's pretty neat, because on my other one, it doesn't come with one, which I never had one come with like an on and off switch, like on the actual extension cord. So this one, like, it's always on. Like, even if you turn it off, it's still like on. So I always have to unplug it, like, after I'm done doing nails. So I feel like that's pretty neat. I won't have to unplug it every time. So let's see. So I already plugged it in. So and then you plug the other thing in the back of this. I'm trying to just look at, okay, and it also has like little, like a little stand thing so it can stand up. It has like the little like legs on it too. So this is what it looks like. like I said, it has the 15 seconds, ooh, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 60 seconds. And then whenever you put your hand in there, it turns on. Now it does have the what is it? It has the automatic sensor, so when you put your hand in there, it turns on, and then it should turn off when you take it out. But I guess like if the timer's on, it's not. Let me see. Okay, so I put it in, and then also it is compatible with all I guess it went off. So it beeps when you turn it on, and then it beeps whenever it's off. So I think I really like it. I'm trying to see. It said it had a detachable base, but am I missing something? I feel like there should have been. Let me see. I don't know. I feel like it said it has a detachable base, but it has screws on here. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. But like I said, it is compatible with all gels, gel polishes, hard gels, whatever. And then now for the big thing, or for the thing that a lot of people care about, now this light is $109.99. So it is a little bit on the pricier side, but you can definitely tell how like it is of a better quality. Like the material is definitely better than the other ones. These are just like regular plastic, and this one even feels heavier. It is stronger, so you will get a faster curing time, and it has more lights in the inside. What else? I mean, it's pretty too. But yeah, like I said, this one is $109.99, and then the other one that I've been using is $46.99. So I'm not really gonna, I wouldn't say I don't want to compare it, but they're both really, really good. Like I really have no complaints about this one. So like I said, I haven't used this one, so I'm not sure how good it's gonna cure. But of course, I'm gonna upload a video using it. So yeah, I'll upload a clip, and I'll let you guys know how I like this. So I guess this is just the unboxing part, and then I'll show y'all how it works. I am gonna leave it out. I have a client on the way now, so I'll get to y'all as soon as I can. Okay, so when I was doing this set, I used it for the 30 seconds and the 60 seconds. I do 30 seconds for all the polishes, the gel polishes, and then for this top coat, I always do 60 seconds. And then before I did this one, I did the glitter, and it cured really, really good. It cured under, you know, the designated time. I didn't have to put them back in there for more time. It cured just fine, and it cured all 5 fingers. So that was no complaint at all. Once again, I cured the polish for 30 seconds and then the gel top coat for 60 seconds, and no complaints at all. So of course, like I said, no problems with the curing. It did really, really good. Okay, y'all, so after using my lamp all day on all of my clients, I can say that it cures really, really good, and I had no complaints about that. The only thing is, like I said, it is a little bit bigger than my other one, and I can show you. Like, it's just a little bit longer. It's just a little bit longer on the sides. And then another thing that I didn't like was that the opening for them to actually put their hand in is so small, so there's a bigger chance of them hitting the side or just messing up a nail. What else? And then another thing was that the timer, like, you can't change it unless the hand is out. So a lot of the time, like I always do 30-second for each coat, and then I do 60 for each coat, and I would forget to switch it, so I would have to tell them to take their hand out, and then I have to press it, and then they put their hand back in. So I was used to, with my other one, I can change the time whenever I want to, so that was the only thing. And then also, I'm not sure, like it did say that it came with a detachable base, so I'm not sure if this is what you take off, but it has screws on it, so I'm not sure what that's about. But if you were doing a pedicure, I mean, I guess you could still do it because it does have that bigger, like deeper C opening. So it would still work. But like I said, it's just smaller than the other one. So with my other one, they used to always like hit it. Like there's polish all in there and then all on here. So so that's one thing that I did not. I mean, I don't too much like just hate it, but I would prefer my other one over this one just because of that. But like I said, I'm still gonna keep using it. I had no problem with the curing time. I'm just used to my other one, but I still absolutely loved it. Like I said, the quality of it is much better. I mean, I don't know if it's metal or if it's just like a thicker plastic, but it even feels heavier. It's really pretty. Like I said, it comes with like their logo, and then it has some type of design, the timer, and then I also like that it has the little on and off switch because I don't have to unplug it like I have to do my other one. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. There will be a 10% promo code for this one, which is good for the month of August, or all the way through August. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNo32, and I'll see you guys next time.